And we're back. As you can see, my friend Mr. Box beside me, there's about 3 or 4 items in this box. I forget what they really are. I believe there's 2 light robes inside, like for Christmas decoration, headset, and I think like a box of cereal and some other crap. But yeah, let's get into it. I'm excited to review the headset. It's definitely an item I've been wanting to play with for the PS4. Lots of packaging for the cat. She's gonna love it. Southside! Almost killed the camera. Fancy! Alright, first off, some white Sharpies. We're not gonna be reviewing that because we don't have to. Small little mini travel backpack. That's for the next review video. Bowl of kimchi. Not gonna be reviewing that. I only got that off Amazon just because I needed like $1 more in my shopping cart for free shipping. So, and I was running out of kimchi anyway, so it just worked out. And we have water drop string light. Yeah, this is the Christmas lights water droplet thingamajigers. We'll review this soon, not today. Box of Lucky Charms. We're definitely not gonna be doing a review on Lucky Charms. Ooh. And here are multicolored LED lights. That's for the next unboxing, hopefully, yes. Oh boy. Ah, yes. But last but not least, it's the SA-810 gaming headset. Ooh, nice. Yeah, anyways, boom. That's the front, that's the side, that's the back, the side again. Remember, just pause the video if I was going way too quick for you guys. Let's do this. Ooh. Now, the thing I love about all these unboxing videos is when you crack open the box, is the smell. Of fresh new electronics. You guys know what I'm talking about. Ooh, and that's it. That's a nice box, black and blue. But let's forget about the box. Let's look at the headset. Ooh, some silica gel for Jack. Instruction manual, bubble wrap. Oh boy, the cat's gonna have fun tonight. Let's get this little twisty tie off. Let's get the cable out. Okay, lower this. Oh boy, there's gonna be a lot of trash in the studio tonight. But yeah, here's your headset. You get this cable, this 2-in-1. Let's get the twisty off. 2-in-1 splitter. You get your, this is your microphone sound input. It's labeled there, like the logo. This is your headset input. And like I said, 2-in-1, and here's your other end. Boom. Nice. Here's the instruction manual. I believe the headset is made in China. Yeah, it says, yeah, China. It's Danguan City, China. I just butchered that city, town, or whatever. Yeah, your manual is straightforward. It comes in English and in, I believe that's Chinese or Japanese. Chinese probably. Let's get this twisty tie out of the way. Am I twisting it the right way? Am I doing it the wrong way? Okay, there we go. Anyways, yeah, but here's the headset itself. Ooh, it looks really, wow, really nice. I mean, that's how it looks on the sides. Boom. Here's a mic mouthpiece. Here's your controller. Hopefully the camera picks it up, but right now it's on mode. You slide it down, it's in off mode, and you get a wheel for your sound, which I love. Instead of like buttons, you get an actual wheel, so I like that. The end connector is protected with this little silicone cap. It's not, none of the connectors are gold plated, they're all just regular metallic plated. So if you guys are wondering if they're gold plated, nothing is really gold plated, which is whatever. Anyways, but the headset seems to be really nice, high quality. The padding is nice. It's really soft and cushy. This is a nice, good, high quality. This is adjustable. Yeah, the mic just, yeah, it stops there and it goes all the way down there, so you get quite of a degree of play. The cable quality thickness, it's pretty decent actually. It's not like really thin like your typical headphone cable. So it should be able to withstand some abuse. So I like that. Let's see how comfortable this is. Actually, I think that's my head adjustment size, yeah. Yeah, that's nice. Really nice. Yeah, that's really comfortable. It's adjustable. Boom. This is how far it goes down, so adequately I'll just put it here for my mouth. Yeah, but once the unit's on, it cancels the outside noise because your ears go inside these little cones, so that's great. How much did I pay for this? $30 on Amazon. I'm gonna come back. I'm gonna do an actual PlayStation 4 gaming test with this. In Grand Theft Auto 4, I'm gonna game with a few friends, and I'll come back shortly and tell you how good the sound quality is and how good the bass is and whatnot. But yeah. Back as you can see with the review. Yeah, I just finished doing some online gaming with some friends. Sound quality is absolutely fantastic on the unit. The clarity on the mic for my friends to hear me is also great. They can basically hear me crystal crispy clear. There's also a bit of a surround sound in the headphones. If there's, let's say, cars driving behind you, you're gonna hear the cars behind you. If there's an explosion kind of directly in front of you or on the side, you're going to hear the explosion in front of you on the side. Fantastic unit, high quality. I don't know if I mentioned in the last video, not the last video, but before I actually did the sound test on the headphones. This cable is basically for your laptop. So you can hook it up to your laptop, boom. And yeah, you could do some online gaming on your computer, or you could also use it for Skype calls, Facebook calls, video chat, whatever. So it's great unit. It's not just for the PS4. Highly recommended. If you go on Amazon, if you search out SA-810 gaming headsets or just headsets, they have about like think they have like 20 models. Sage makes like 20 models of gaming headsets, different colors, different designs or whatever. 20 bucks, 30 bucks, 40 bucks. This was the $30 model. Fantastic. Absolutely all the headsets, like every unit model has like 5-star reviews. So, and I can understand why they have all 5-star reviews, because they are absolutely phenomenal headsets. Build quality is A+. Sound is great. The price, they are like the most decently priced headsets on the market. Highly recommend it. I'll be leaving a description underneath the video. Click on it, get more information, more pictures, and if you choose to, buy it right there and then. But yeah, I'm gonna go and do some more online gaming. Alright, peace out guys.